I know many of you watching are separated from your loved ones, waiting months or even years for that green card to come through. It's exhausting. But what if there's a way to cut that wait time in half just by taking one powerful step? Hello, everyone. I'm Eric Widman, an attorney at Passage Immigration Law. We have offices in Oregon, Washington, and California. You can visit our website to set up a consultation or subscribe to our free newsletter for regular updates, tips, and the latest immigration insights. In this video, we'll cover how green card holders can sponsor their spouse for a green card, a story of someone who brought her husband to the U.S. within just months after becoming a citizen, why U.S. citizenship could be the key to a faster, smoother process, the steps to naturalize and reunite with your spouse sooner. But first of all, let's answer the big question. Can a green card holder petition for their spouse? The short answer is yes, but the process is different and usually longer than it is for U.S. citizens. Here's how it works. You'll need to file Form I-130 petition for alien relative to get started. But because you're not yet a U.S. citizen, your case is subject to the Visa Bulletin, a monthly update from the Department of State that tracks green card availability based on your country of origin. For some countries with high demand, like Mexico, Philippines, India, the wait times can be much longer due to these annual limits. That's why knowing your priority date and category is so important. But here's the good news. A key change in status, becoming a U.S. citizen, can put you on a completely different path. So let me share a real-life story that shows just how powerful this step can be. Of course, changed for privacy. We worked with a woman in your shoes, waiting nearly 3 years for her husband's green card. The delay had worn them down emotionally and financially. But once she became a U.S. citizen, everything changed. The backlog no longer applied to them, and her husband was able to join her after just a few more months. We do see this kind of transformation all the time, and that's why we encourage eligible green card holders to consider citizenship. So what makes citizenship such a game changer? By becoming a U.S. citizen, you can turn that waiting game into a faster lane for your spouse's green card process. You can file Form I-130, and your spouse is considered an immediate relative of a U.S. citizen. No more Visa Bulletin waiting, and your spouse can begin the green card process right away. And the process is usually much faster, saving you months and even years of waiting time. You might worry that applying for citizenship could put your immigration status at risk or cause your green card to be revoked. But the truth is, as long as you meet all the requirements and have a clean record and good moral character, you're on the path to citizenship. And it gives you and your family more than just quicker paperwork. You get to vote. You're protected from deportation. Your young children can automatically become citizens. You'll have access to more job opportunities and government benefits. If you're considering becoming a U.S. citizen and getting your spouse a green card faster, here's what you can do. Step 1, become a U.S. citizen. If you've had your green card for at least 4 years and 9 months, you may be eligible to apply for citizenship by filing Form N-400. This application asks you about your background, your travel history, and your good moral character. After submitting it, you'll attend a biometrics appointment. You'll go through an interview and take the citizenship test. Once you're approved, you'll take the oath of allegiance. And just like that, you'll officially become a U.S. citizen. Step 2, petition for your spouse. As a new citizen, you can now file Form I-130 to begin the green card process for your spouse, and it'll go faster than if you just had a green card. This form confirms that your marriage is real and that you want to sponsor your partner for permanent residence. If your spouse is already in the U.S. and entered with a visa or other legal status, that's even better news. They can usually stay in the country and apply for their green card through a process called adjustment of status. In that case, you'll also file Form I-485, the green card application, Form I-765, the work permit, Form I-131, advanced parole for international travel, Form I-693, the medical exam, Form I-864, the affidavit of support. These extra forms let your spouse work and travel legally while the green card is pending. Most people receive their work and travel permits within 4 to 6 months. And the best part, no more endless waiting for a visa number. You can skip the Visa Bulletin entirely. You can reunite with your spouse years sooner. We know this process can feel overwhelming, but remember, every step you take brings you closer to a future with your loved ones by your side. At Passage Immigration, we've helped thousands of families navigate these steps and reunite the United States. We're here to help you too. If you're ready to begin your naturalization or I-130 petition process, reach out to us at 503-427-8243 or visit passage.law to schedule a consultation. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you know anyone who could benefit from this information, share this video because information is power. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.